Howdy! Today I want to present you a hairdryer with a foldable handle from Philips, just right for your vacation because it takes up very little space. It has 3 speeds and 3 temperature levels. The power of 1200W allows you to dry your hair delicately and quickly. Compact and ergonomic, this hairdryer benefits from a modern design. Therefore, it has a low weight and is easy to use. I will take it out of the box so we can see it too.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is the head we attached, or the airflow concentrator. Here we have a user manual. The next thing is the dryer and the warranty. It is small, both folded and unfolded.
Artless I.O. Music licensing reimagined.
Here we can also see the buttons. Off, then cold air, followed by thermoprotect, which dries the hair without overheating it. And we also have the fast air setting that offers a higher temperature and a stronger airflow. On my channel, you can also see other beauty products for which I leave a link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video.
Artless
All the
I.O.
best.